Hello everyone, welcome to Science Sphere. Today, I'm going to share with you the skateboarding physics. Secrets to mastering tricks. Skateboarding, a seemingly simple act of riding a board with wheels, is actually a complex interplay of physics principles. From the basic forces of motion to the intricacies of energy transfer, understanding these principles can significantly improve your riding and help you perform tricks with greater control and finesse. The first principle we need to understand is Newton's first law of motion, also known as the law of inertia. This law states that an object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion at a constant speed and direction, unless acted upon by a net external force. In skateboarding, this means that once you're rolling, you'll continue rolling until a force like friction or gravity slows you down. Next, we have Newton's second law of motion, which states that the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force acting on it and inversely proportional to its mass. This means that the more force you apply to your board, the faster it will accelerate. Similarly, the heavier your board is, the harder it will be to accelerate. Newton's third law of motion, the law of action and reaction, is also crucial in skateboarding. This law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. When you push down on your board with your foot, the board pushes back on your foot with the same force, propelling you forward. Understanding the concept of gravity is fundamental to skateboarding. Gravity is the force that pulls you down towards the earth. When you're riding down a ramp, gravity is the force that accelerates you downwards. Conversely, when you're trying to ollie or pop a trick, you need to overcome gravity by generating enough upward force to lift your board and yourself off the ground. The conservation of energy is another important principle in skateboarding. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. When you push off the ground, you convert your potential energy. As you roll down a ramp, your kinetic energy is converted back into potential energy as you gain height. The concept of friction is also crucial in skateboarding. Friction is the force that opposes motion between two surfaces in contact. In skateboarding, friction acts between your wheels and the ground, slowing you down. Friction can also act between your board and the ground, especially when grinding or sliding. The concept of momentum is another essential principle in skateboarding. Momentum is the mass of an object multiplied by its velocity. The more momentum you have, the harder it is to stop. When you're riding fast, you have a lot of momentum, which can help you stay balanced and perform tricks with more power. The physics of skateboarding also extends to the design of the board itself. The shape, size, and weight of the board can all affect its performance. For example, a wider board will be more stable at slower speeds, while a narrower board will be more maneuverable at higher speeds. Finally, the physics of skateboarding is not just about understanding the forces at play, it's also about using those forces to your advantage. By understanding how to generate force, manipulate gravity, and control momentum, you can improve your riding and perform tricks with greater confidence and control. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed my video, remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time.